This cat became the biggest star at the zoo when he completely stole the show at the bird exhibit. He knows many difficult tricks, but balancing on a basketball is his specialty, and is the first trick he learned when he wandered into the bird area as a stray. Initially, the trainers fed him and allowed him to sleep in the area, but eventually they noticed he was learning tricks all on his own. And with just a little bit of training, he was able to perform in his own show. After an extremely positive reception, he began performing in more shows and learning new tricks, until he was the biggest star at the zoo. At this point, nobody even remembers that this is a bird exhibit.